Today we are going to make a very easy Christmas cookie. These are the ingredients we need to make chocolate crinkle cookies. Out of these ingredients, we can make around 25 cookies. First we can combine flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. Set it aside until use. Now in a separate bowl, beat butter and sugar until light and fluffy. After that, add eggs one at a time and beat more. Now we can add vanilla into this. Then gradually add flour mixture into this and mix well to combine. After combining all flour, add chocolate chunks. Now we need to chill this dough. So cover the bowl and keep it in the fridge around 1 to 2 hours. Then get the dough out of the fridge. Get a small amount of dough by using a spoon and roll it into a ball. After making a nice ball, we can roll on the ball in icing sugar and keep it on a baking tray. Do this process until your dough is over. By the time you finish making all balls, if icing sugar is disappeared in the first made balls, roll them again in icing sugar. Coating these balls in icing sugar is very important for these crinkle cookies. Otherwise, after baking, they will just look like brownie cookies. Now we need to bake them around 10 to 12 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven until crinkles happen. They will not fully bake in the oven. The magic happens as they cool down. These are the amazing crinkle cookies that we make today. Let them cool down around 5 to 10 minutes in a cooling rack and then you can enjoy. Hope you will make this delicious cookie this time for Christmas. As usual, nice photos of this recipe are there in my dailylife.lk site. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you soon with another delicious video.